Hello everyone, this is Amitoj Kaur, a senior business analyst with a 6 years of BA experience and a total of 10 years experience in IT field. Today I'm here to share my experience regarding the CBAP certification that I gained with the help of Adaptive US team within a time period of 3 months. Initially, 3 years back, I was willing to gain a certification, but I searched the internet and read the BABOK guide completely. Even after that, I was not very confident that I would be able to crack an exam of this level. So, going ahead, I heard about Adaptive US, and then when I registered with them 3 months back, I started with their training program. With all the kinds of material that they have provided, be it the study guide, the audio files, the flashcards, the video sessions, and the live sessions, they have given us so much knowledge on each of the knowledge areas that we could crack the exam with much ease than expectation. Their tutorial sessions were very helpful in guiding us with all the problems that we had, and the level of question bank that they have is something incredible. Giving different levels of exams with their question bank, I could gain confidence, and on 6th of April 2022, when I sat for the exam, I walked out successful. So that was a very wonderful experience for me, and I thank the complete Adaptive US team for this experience. And for everyone out there who's looking for a certification of this level, I would suggest you to register with Adaptive US and be successful as many others. All the best. Thank you so much.